McDowell Hall is being renovated to prepare for the 2024-2025 academic year. In this brief video, we will share conceptual renderings, new design features, and other exciting changes planned for next year's McDowell Hall community. While the following presentation includes planned features and concepts, some small changes from what you see in this video may occur as the renovation is completed. In anticipation of this project, we started our refresh early and in the area most important to you, your residence hall room. During the upcoming renovation, rooms will be recarpeted and wooden furniture will be refinished so that the in-wall storage, closets, and cabinets all shine like new. Bed frames will also be replaced to match our more modern loftable options with easily adjustable bed heights. We'll also be converting the existing McDowell apartment suites to match our standard for double occupancy rooms. In updating McDowell Hall, we recognized an opportunity to reimagine our lobby as a living community space. Starting with the front desk and continuing down the hall, we've created an open floor concept that invites large amounts of natural light and an easy flow of traffic. We've also included comfortable gathering spaces, dedicated areas for studying, and even more spaces for the option of formal or casual get-togethers. These new spaces and seating areas will also feature new options for in-hall recreation and gaming to enhance your community experience. The new lobby welcomes residents and invites them to enjoy all community areas while maintaining campus standards for safety and security at entrances and exits. Connected to the lobby is the McDowell Formal Lounge. This space will continue to be utilized by residential communities and the greater AU community after its refresh. The entrance area of the McDowell Formal Lounge will be converted to a student area perfect for resident groups looking to unwind or engage in communal space. The large entertainment areas will be furnished with comfy sofas, while the rec areas will continue to incorporate things like a shuffleboard to contribute to that cozy feel we want you to have at your home at AU. This flexible event space will also receive updated furniture to accommodate any event setup. Now let's head to the residential floors to look at changes to the lounges and the restrooms. On each floor of McDowell, you'll find the floor lounges. This space is a combined kitchen and common area for our students to enjoy dining, studying, and relaxing. We have refreshed the space with new kitchen appliances, seating, and lounge furniture. This will help provide a fluid area where students can casually transition from one activity to the next and can seamlessly engage with their community. As a significant update to the residential experience in McDowell Hall, the bathrooms have been completely redesigned to mirror the updates that took place in Leonard Hall. Each floor in McDowell will now have a single, larger restroom with 7 individual-use pod-style bathroom spaces that each come with a toilet and a shower. With floor-to-ceiling lockable doors offering complete privacy in each pod, the McDowell Hall bathrooms incorporate modern and inclusive features while maintaining our campus standards for accessibility, safety, and experience. Thanks for joining us on this tour of the upcoming renovations. Follow us on social media, Instagram at @HomeAtAU and Facebook at AUHRL for live updates of the renovation throughout the summer. We hope you're excited about these changes and will make your home at AU in the new McDowell Hall for years to come.